pay dues. Its name says it all. When landing on this space, you will have to pay $1,500, which is half of your salary. If you don't have money to pay the full amount, you lose a turn.
Fear. This box is the most common on the entire board. Here it is represented as only fear without specifying its origin. Most of us humans have an almost unrecognizable fear, which limits us from taking action. They paralyze all activity in favor of achieving a goal. When landing on this space, you must roll a dice, and if you get between 1 to 3, you lose a turn. If you get between 4 and 6, you can continue playing.
Adversity and defeat. This is another box in both phases of the game. In reality, adversity and defeat are always present in our entire existence. However, landing in this space doesn't mean necessarily that you are in a bad situation. As Napoleon Hill says, every adversity, every failure, every heartbreak carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. If you land in this space, you must draw a card from the adversity and defeat deck. Then you must roll a dice and follow the instructions on the back of the card according to the phase you are currently playing.